Slovenian thermal springs had already brought pleasure to the ancient Romans and, over the centuries, carried the name of their benefits throughout Europe. On the basis of such rich heritage, 15 Slovenian natural and thermal spas have developed, which boast as many as 87 natural thermal springs. Native as well as international guests can enjoy their vacations in the thermal spas, which offer 10,000 beds of all categories, from luxury hotel rooms to apartments and camping sites. 43,000 square meters of swimming pools, both indoor and outdoor, with attractive water extras, delight even the most demanding guests, as well as professional athletes who are happy to use the gyms, sports halls and sports grounds. Health and welfare, due to the latest achievements of medical science, are the basis on which the modern wellness centres, with their wide range of saunas, massages, tanning beds and fitness studios, and these are complemented by relaxation and therapeutic programs. Guests of Slovenian natural and thermal spas are treated to a variety of culinary specialities and wine tastings of the best Slovenian wines, while enjoying the hospitality of the location, the friendliness of its people and the beautiful nature. And if you crave active relaxation, biking, hiking, riding, hunting, fishing or maybe golf, you will appreciate the diverse offer that is available. If you would like to know the land and its people better, wine trails, theme paths, historic and cultural sites, traditional village life and the vibrancy of urban centres, visit Slovenia. Each thermal destination offers something special.